What's up, another fam? Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page, you guys. So I have not done a vlog in a little minute, but I am going to this restaurant that I haven't tried before. Oh, the car coming for me. So I am going to this restaurant that I have not tried before, so I thought I will bring you guys along with me. It's a really cute restaurant. I actually need to put it in my GPS because I have no clue where it's at. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me and let you guys try this restaurant out with me. It is in Orlando, Florida. So if you live in Orlando, then you have a new spot to try. So yeah, so this is just gonna be a really quick vlog. I was gonna actually do a get ready with me, but I didn't want to be late, and I didn't want to rush the get ready with me, so I was like, I'll just do a little mini vlog. So I will see you guys at the restaurant. All right, you guys, so I am back home. Honestly, I have a lot of positive things to say about the restaurant. Their location is really nice. It's located near Dr. Phillips. It was a bit crowded, but you can't tell that it's crowded once you're in there and you're seated. You don't feel like you're crowded or anything because they have like the tables and stuff spaced out really well to where you don't feel like you're just like on top of people. The staff is super friendly. You'll see in the video and everything, as you saw in the video, I did get the pasta. It came with mushrooms. I do not like mushrooms whatsoever, so I did not do the mushrooms. They don't do substitutions or anything, so I ordered the 3 shrimp, as you seen earlier in the video, and I just kind of like made my own little concoction because I can't just eat regular pasta without meat, to be honest. And they do not have no chicken or beef anywhere on the menu at all whatsoever. They told me that. So I had to get shrimp. It was like 3 jumbo shrimps, but it's very filling because they're huge. So yeah, so overall the restaurant was a 10 out of 10. I am gonna try a few of the restaurants that I've been wanting to try. I also have not vlogged my favorite restaurant, Earl's, so I do want to do a vlog of Earl's, probably during like brunch / lunchtime, so I can show you guys the full menu. I always eat there for every special occasion and stuff like that. Love it. So I think that's probably gonna be my next vlog. But yeah, this was a really nice restaurant, you guys, so definitely try it out. Price wise, it is not, price wise it's pretty decent. Like with the 2 entrees that I had, I believe my pasta was around like $40, and then the shrimp was like around $30. Be prepared to spend at least $50 in the restaurant, to be honest. And then I had drinks and stuff like that and everything, and their drinks are really good. I had a porn star martini, it was good. And then they bring you like an extra little spritzer type thing. I don't even know if that's what it's called, but it's like another little thing they said to cleanse your palate. And they was like, you can either drink it after you drink the martini, or you can mix it in while you're drinking it. I mixed it in, honestly, because it was just kind of like bubbly, and I'm like, oh, it's the bubbly for me. But anyway, so yeah, I am going to try some more restaurants, you guys, and bring you guys along with me. But stay tuned for my next video. If you guys have any restaurants that you think I should try, put it in the comment section down below and I will do a review. But I thank you guys for tuning in. I will have another video up soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.